Ever wished your keyboard could do more? Introducing the IoT MacroPad, a game-changing device that combines IoT functionality with your everyday macro keypad. Powered by WIZnet's W55 RP20 EVB Pico board, this MacroPad uses MQTT to communicate with your PC, offering lightning-fast shortcuts for copy, paste, select all, and more. But that's not all. You can customize its keys for other cool uses like launching apps or even displaying dynamic signs. With an LCD, encoder, and buzzer, it's not just a keypad. It's a fully interactive IoT device. Here's the magic. The MacroPad connects to your PC using MQTT, and a C# application processes the data in real time. With its energy-efficient design, it's perfect for anyone looking to streamline tasks in a smart, connected way. Want to build your own IoT MacroPad? Check out the WIZnet Maker site today. Start creating and elevate your workspace. Link in the description.